So for this class, I'll be using Edge browser instead of our Chrome. So go to Edge, Microsoft Edge. So canva.com still. So click on our plus for you custom size, then 3240. The height will be 4050. Remember, I'm doing a portrait. Create new design. So let's start with the magic media first. Magic media. So a full length image of a teenager using a phone and walking. So let's see. Anime still portrait generate. Yeah, more like it's so we just need their foot. So pick this. So just click on it. So it will add it to your design, your Canva. Let me click on. I just click on the four of them. Then we would use them. This. Then the fourth one. So the next thing we'll do is to create the transform image effect, like a text on a floor. So the first thing is you change the background color. Like our brand color is purple. Yeah. So then the next thing you do is text, and you add a header. And you have the text design. Great. So let's change the font. So you can use any font, but for this class we'll be using the font called luckiest guy. Yeah. So let's make it bigger. Then let me change the color to white. Awesome. So the next thing we want to do is we want to export this page. So you click on this. So you click on this, download PNG, but no transparent background, current page, done, download. Download. So open a new page. Yeah. So on this new page, then you come to apps. The apps transform image. Transform image. Transform image by the top left. Transform image. Choose file. So let me start with this first. With the purple. Then just try and move it with your hand. Sure, just try to. So trying to achieve an effect of like a floor. Something is on the floor. Yeah, that's the effect we're trying to achieve. So we now have it on our design. So you can just expand it a bit to fill it. So you notice that there's a color difference, but that's not to worry. You don't need to worry about that. About the color difference, we'll fix that in a bit. So to fix that, just click on this purple background, go to colors, then press this arrow up. So you can see down, it has shown you the color that the exact purple. So once you just click on it, you see everything blends in back. Perfect. So let's go and bring in our images. So let me copy this. Copy. A long press. Just press once, then you paste this image. Yeah. So let's just remove the background. Yeah, that's Magic Studio. Magic Studio PG remover. So we have this. So she's standing on. She's standing on at this side. Let me move the down so we'll have enough space. Yeah, perfect. So if you want to add one more, let me add this other one. Copy. Paste. So remove. So Magic Studio again. PG remover. Yeah, so you can see that we still have some interference at the guy's background. So there's a way we can carefully remove. Just go to BG remover and erase your brush. So just clean. You have to be very careful so you don't touch. Let me zoom it in a bit so I can see what restore. Let me restore. I've mistakenly cleaned. Let me just reset it. Reset. So as I was saying, you have to be very careful of Majesty. Let's try grab image if magic grab better, so we won't have to tap. Okay, yeah, magic grab is better, so grab. Oh, awesome. So we don't need this background. Let me just delete. So we now have, so let's just position them properly. Now let's put the text. There. So that one will be less. Sorry, let's design. So you can choose to leave the font, but I'm just trying to use our brown font. I think Helvetica and Lockers guide. Those are two brown fonts. So then let me close the space, the spacing, the letter spacing. So give it more. So click on this. Let's make it bigger. Maybe I can make this a bit bigger. Let me just pull up this parts. So for the let's, so let's bring, let me see if I bring the guy up. So click on the guy, go to position, bring forward. Yes, so let me change, let me see if white or purple will be better. It's too blend in the background. Let's say black, sorry, white. And let's try some, let's use this one. Then I'll duplicate it, then I'll change it to white, or effect, sorry, let's do Olo, then I'll just tone it down a bit. The effect is lost. Let me, to get the effect, like, we have to use the same color, so let me use white. Yeah, so I'll just place it. So let's let me see if I try. Okay, it's looking more like it. Okay, so let's now increase the thickness of the holo. So this is, yeah,